The GDS toolbar is used to interact with projects loaded into the controller memory. By default, the GDS toolbar is displayed at the top of the application window, just under the menu display. The Scan Controllers option allows you to scan and detect all controllers visible on the network. It will show all controllers that are detected and allows you to change the networking properties of any discovered nodes. The Update button can be used to update a controller with the new IP settings. The Blink button can send a command for the controller to blink the LED light. The Connect button can be used to connect to the selected controller. Scan can be used to rescan the available controllers. The Connect and Disconnect button can be used to go online or offline for the current controller. If you do not want to use the Scan Controllers display, you can enter the IP address of a controller directly into the toolbar and then connect using the Connect button. To the right of the connection properties is the project display. The first combo box from the left displays all projects that are currently in memory. These are the same projects listed in the memory section of the GPL Project Manager. The buttons to the left of the project selection always operate on the project selected in the toolbar project selection combo box. They allow you to compile the selected project, run the project in break on first line mode, or run in normal mode. Additionally, you can stop the active project or all projects that are running. To the right of the project display is the Threads display. This shows all active threads running on the controller. You can use this to pause, run, or stop the project threads. If a thread is paused, you can use the thread step buttons to step into, step out, or step over the thread execution pointer. Additionally, if you change the active line in the GPL editor, you can use the last button to move the current executing line to the selected line.